What's up guys, marytacty here, and today I'm gonna tell you about the sales techniques, and there will be a maneuver. Well, people like Mary Kay Ash, David Ogilvy, Benjamin Franklin, Annika Sally, Ben Feldman. These are the most famous people history ever known about the sales. They have done tremendous things related to sales. I mean, they have done millions and billions of sales, and they have very beautiful ideas related to sales. If you can just see, they are just normal people. I mean, we are also normal people. Why can't we do the sales? Come on. If they can do the sales, why can't we? So I'm gonna tell you some simple and basic things related to sales techniques. Either it is a corporate sector or it can be any normal person going to sell anything. There will be 4 steps and we will go through each process step by step. But before that, you have to subscribe my channel, like it, share it, and do spread my message